Savannah, a pioneer packaging company, was incorporated in the year 1983 at Kizhakkambalam, a small village in the suburbs of Kochi in India. In a short span of time, it has emerged out as a leader in the sealing machine segment of packaging machinery manufacturers, soon diversified into shrink wrapping and vacuum packaging. The latest innovation from the House of Savannah is the Flexi Packaging System, a convenient gadget for bulk vacuum packaging. Packaging has several functions apart from providing market appeal to the product. It has to provide a means for safe transportation, storage and extension of shelf life of the product. Cashew processing comprises of the following events. The raw cashew nut is roasted in specially designed roasters. The roasted nuts are then shelled using shelling machines. Soon after shelling, the nuts are peeled. Peeling is normally done manually. The peeled nuts are then inspected and graded. Grading is done depending on the size and count per weight. The graded nuts are then packed. The conventional packing was in tins. Pre-measured quantity of nuts were put in a tin, evacuated, flushed with inert gas and then capped and shipped to the destination. The latest trend is the bag-in-box, where nuts are placed in high-barrier plastic films, evacuated, flushed with required quantity of inert gas and sealed. The bags are sealed, keeping them in a former to have a regular briquette shape for the convenience of stacking and transportation. Savannah's Flexi Packaging System consists of a vacuum chamber with controls, hopper for filling, vibratory sieve, aspirator, vibratory settler platform, digital weighing balance, roller conveyor and power pack. Hopper. The contact parts are made out of SS304 grade sheets. The height of the hopper is convenient to transfer graded nuts manually. It is provided with a shutter to regulate the flow of nuts, convenient for dust separation and feeding. Former with inner sleeve. To have a regular and definite briquette shape, SS formers are used. The plastic pouches are first inserted onto the inner sleeve. Inner sleeve together with the bag is placed in the outer former. Nuts are then filled and after filling the sleeve is drawn out. Vibratory sieve. A vibratory sieve is attached to the hopper. The gradient of the sieve can be adjusted for optimum flow rate, dust and broken nut separation. The vibratory motion to the feeder is provided from an electric motor. The feeder can be periodically cleaned by lifting the sieve plate, activated only when required using a pedal switch. It is being provided with an emergency shutter. Aspirator. The dust and broken pieces are collected by a vacuum aspirator. The collection of broken nuts and dust particles can be done by opening the door after switching off the aspirator motor. All the contact parts are made out of SS304. Vibratory settler platform. In order to have a dense packing, a high-frequency vibratory settling platform is provided at the filling station. It is activated only when required using a pedal switch. Weighing balance. An electronic weighing scale with a roller conveyor is integrated in the packaging line between vibratory settling platform and vertical vacuum packaging machine. The weighment is manual. After confirming the weight, the filled bag is pushed onto the vacuum chamber through roller conveyors. Vertical vacuum packing machine. The vertical vacuum packaging machine is a T-shaped one to avoid wastage of flushing gases and reduce operational time. The vacuum chamber is made out of a 16 mm thick steel sheets and is powder coated. The sealing jaws are pneumatically operated with impulse heating. Inert gases are flushed through spring-loaded nozzles which will function as bag holders also. The machine is a micro-controlled one. It is suitable to flush up to 3 gases consequently. It comes with a pre-loaded program of 4 modes. The operator settable functions are vacuum level, level of each gases, sealing time and cooling time. The vacuum level and other parameters are displayed in the machine in operation. The door can be opened when the display indicates 0. The machine can be stopped at any point of time. Roller conveyors are provided in the input and output side of the vacuum chamber. Power pack consists of the electrical motor as the prime mover of the vacuum pump, suitably rated vacuum pump and an integral cooling system. It is recommended to keep the power pack outside or the exhaust to be piped out of the packing